what's up? It's your girl Whitney B and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this beautiful deep wave wig. I used 4 bundles, 26, 26, 24, and 24, as well as a matching 6x6 closure. So I didn't really do much to it. As you saw in the video, I used my Morocco oil. This is like a curl enhancer along with just a spray bottle with just water in it and my satin lotion. So that's all I really use. And then I took a blow dryer and just kind of like scrunched the hair up. Like, the curls are bomb. The hair is still a little damp, like at the bottom. Some of it's kind of dry. And just look at this curl pattern. Like, the curl pattern, I just can't get over the curl pattern. So thanks so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. On my channel, I talk everything about wigs, wig making, wig install tutorials, and so much more. If that's something that you like or that you're interested in, definitely you want to hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Also, if you are interested in purchasing a custom wig or bundle, definitely check out my website. Thanks so much guys for watching. Bye.